What's up, Wayne Barron here with CFF Coding Source, and today we're inside of our Windows 2016 core server, and what we're going to be doing is we are going to be upgrading our .NET framework. So if we run a script, let's go ahead and get it. If we run the following script right here, it's going to show us that our current version is 4.6.01586. What we want is that we want version 4.8. And so I've already got the installation file already on the core server. So we're going to come over here, we're going to go inside of a G drive, then CD apps, and then directory. And this is the file that we want right here. Now, if we come over here, we got to go inside of PowerShell first. So PowerShell, we go / and then paste, and we click on enter. It's going to extract the files, but it's going to give us an error during the installation. Okay, go ahead and choose I have read. I think this is the right one. Yep. Okay, so it's going to give us this error right here. .NET Framework 4.8 setup has failed, and it showed us what file did it fail on. So pretty much what it is that using this method, you cannot install the .NET framework. So go ahead and close the program. So what we want to do is that we want to do it another way. Is that we're going to come in same area, do a / paste it in, and then we're going to do a /q. Okay, what this is this is unmanaged. This means that it's going to install it without any assistance from you. So go ahead and choose enter. And as long as there's no error that pops up that lets you know that you didn't type something in right, it's going to install it in the background. You're not even going to see anything happening. And then once it is finished, it's going to reboot the server. And then once it reboots the server, then we can come back up, and then we can come up here and we can check our framework version number, and we should be at the 4.8 version. And let's go ahead and copy our script and paste it in and click on enter. And there we go. We have the newest version, 4.8.03761. And that is how you install the .NET framework on your core server. This right here should work on every core version out there of Windows. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoy this quick video. I am Wayne Barron with CFF Coding Source. Links in the description for all these scripts. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.